Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video we will check together why your computer is overheating. This happens to all laptops which are between 1.5 years to 5 years old, and usually it's due to the following. First reason is that in the fan which gives air to your processor or cools the processor, there is a lot of dust. So what you want to do, if you are able to open your laptop, you want to clean the fan. As you can see, even on the side here, on this side, there might be also dust or stuck there. So you want to clean from the side and also the fan itself. For this purpose, you can use a hoover or you can use an air compressor to do that. The second reason, which might be, is the fact that your processor has no more the paste or the thermopaste which allows it to cool down. As you will see in the picture, there are a lot of thermopaste which you can buy online and which you will need to apply to your processor. We'll go ahead and open our decompressing tool of our processor. And after that, I will show you how you can apply the thermopaste on it. So once we have opened the 4 screws, you want to make sure that you check before online how to open your laptop if you're not sure how to open it. Next step, we'll just pull up a little bit. Here we go. Just disconnect. As you can see, I have managed to disconnect this part. So here is the fan. I will make sure to clean it from all the dust. Also from the side, if there is any dust, I will also remove it. And as you can see here, we see the residual or the remaining paste or thermopaste. And there is a bit of it on my processor, as you can see. So you want to buy online a thermopaste which is good. You can check the references of all thermopaste before buying one. And you want to apply it to the same proportions which is here. So you want just to apply it on these little tops. But before that, make sure to remove a bit of this and also a bit of the remaining from the other part so that you put clean one. So when you put the clean one, it doesn't disturb it. As you can see, guys, I have cleaned my fan and also I have removed the previous thermopaste which was remaining here. I have done that in a gentle way. And also on my processor, slowly and with a gentle way, I have managed to remove the residual of the previous thermopaste. And now I'm going to proceed with putting the new thermopaste and then I will close back. However, if you check here on the side where there was the fan, you might see a little bit of dust. So you want to make sure to clean it also properly. And also may you want to use the hoover to suck if there is any dust in the motherboard or in top anywhere, for example here on the sides, etc. So once done, we will continue. You can see I have put a little quantity similar or equal to the one which was previously. No need to put too much. And now we are going to proceed accordingly with closing it, and we will try to restart our computer accordingly. So guys, after reassembling my laptop, I have turned it on and I have been running it for now about 4 hours. There is no increase or there is no significant increase in temperature and I don't have that overheating problem anymore. I hope this is the case for you too. If you are still in need of help or assistance, just leave us a comment or send us an email using our email in the channel description and we'll do our best to help you. If you'd like to encourage us, you can always click like and share and also subscribe to get our latest videos.
If you would like also, you can become member of our channel's family. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.